Hey you, stop scrolling. You curious about starting an e-commerce business, but you just don't know how? Today I'm going to show you a great platform that helps me generate sales for my e-commerce business, and let me show you how you can launch your business with 4 easy steps by using Printify. Let's get into it. Step 1, choose from over 1,000 top quality products, including apparel, kitchenware, home decor, pet products, and more. Step 2, use Printify's free product creator, full of beginner-friendly tools to design the products of your dreams. Step 3, Printify integrates with all the popular sales channels like Etsy, Amazon, and Shopify for seamless listings and order management. Step 4, once you make a sale, Printify's print providers take care of order fulfillment while you focus on marketing, designing, and making that money. So what are you waiting for? Click on the link in my description below to get started on your e-commerce store today. Peace.